Kwewewe. Kwewewe. Hai sobat sekalian, welcome back to Mr. Titi channel. Silent letter selanjutnya yaitu silent letter D. Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday, not Wednesday. Wednesday. What is that? You have to say Wednesday. Wednesday. I always go to the gym on Wednesdays. I always go to the gym on Wednesdays. Wednesdays. Sandwich. Sandwich. Sandwich, not sandwich. Silent letter selanjutnya yaitu silent letter E. Clue. 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 The detective has found a vital clue. Q. 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 Not kwewewe. Kwewewe. There is no kwewewe in English. You have to say Q. Q. Got it? Queue up. Queue up. If you want to go home, queue up. Queue up. Not kwewewe out. Okay? That's so easy. Jadi setelah ini, jangan kalian ucapkan keseluruhan huruf yang ada di dalam kata tersebut. Karena kalian sudah mengetahui silent letters yang Mr. Titi ajarkan. Nanti kita bertemu lagi di silent letters selanjutnya. Dah.